Luxury car maker Genesis has proven that it is quite capable of challenging European and Japanese luxury brands, and now it's getting into the premium SUV game with the 2021 GV80. The GV80 takes on the BMW X5 and the Mercedes-Benz GLE class. Genesis's first SUV is powered by a standard turbocharged 4-cylinder or a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine. Rear-wheel drive will be standard and all-wheel drive will be optional. We've sampled both engines and have conducted an instrumented test on both the V6 and the 4-cylinder. We can report that the new SUV delivers both agile handling and a serene ride. This mid-size luxury crossover shares the same all-new underpinnings as the upcoming next-gen G80 sedan and is available with rear or all-wheel drive. The engine choices start with a 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and escalate to a 375 horsepower twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, the latter of which delivered a brisk 5.3 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour time at the test track. With the Turbo 4, the GV80 delivered a slower 6.1 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour time, but many drivers won't miss the extra power. A hybrid variant has been rumored, but so far Genesis hasn't released any information on such a powertrain. After driving both versions of the GV80, we can say that the new SUV feels athletic in corners and delivers a quiet ride, but buyers seeking more thrills could consider an Audi SQ8 or a Porsche Cayenne. The GV80's interior ushers in a new, more upscale vibe for Genesis's lineup. Burlwood trim, metal accents, integrated ambient lighting, and a large slim-shaped infotainment display keep things upscale but uncluttered. Despite the fancy materials, the interior design provides a sense of minimalism that feels truly elegant in person. The front seats are comfortable, supportive, and available with a massage function that feels legitimately relaxing. A standard 3-across bench seat in the second row allows for up to 5 passengers. A third row of seats is an optional feature, but space back there is limited and should be considered a place solely for kids. We fit 13 carry-on suitcases behind the second row, and the GV80 swallowed a total of 28 with the second row folded flat. A slim, 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen stretches across the middle of the GV80's tailored dashboard. The fact that the screen is touch-sensitive is most likely to provide the front seat passenger an opportunity to change the radio station or manipulate the navigation system, because the screen itself is quite a reach from the driver's seated position. Luckily, a click-wheel controller is mounted on the center console, so the driver can interact with the system, and it works quite well. Since all GV80s come with a plethora of features that include a 14.5-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, and a power liftgate, even the entry-level models are suitably luxurious. Still, we crave the extra power provided by the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 that costs about $10,000 more than the standard 4-cylinder, but we think it's worth the money because it comes standard with all-wheel drive and helps make acceleration effortless. Likewise, we'd opt for the top-of-the-line Prestige model that has 22-inch wheels, a large digital gauge cluster, Napa leather upholstery, and adjustable rear seats with heated and cooled cushions. While this configuration pushes the price of our GV80 over $71,000, it's a bargain compared with luxury rivals that have similar options.